Today we're going to be going over the automatic parking function available on a plethora of BMWs. In order to activate it while you are going under 25 miles an hour, you will press the parking sensor button on your center console. It will pop up this screen in front of you. You will make sure the automatic parking box is checked. Once that is checked, as you drive, it will use the sensors on either side of the car to check for perpendicular and parallel parking spots. Once one is chosen, you will be able to select it on the screen and follow all the prompts on the screen. Put your foot on the brake, put your seatbelt on, let go of the steering wheel, and it will back you into the spot if it's a perpendicular spot, or parallel park you into the spot if it's a parallel spot. And it's very good at what it does, so keep watching to see how it works. And that's how it works. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us at BMW of Bend, and we look forward to hearing from you.
Kendall, let's start something great.